AI business tools are revolutionizing the way we operate in 2025. From advanced analytics platforms that predict market trends to AI-driven customer service chatbots that enhance user experience, the landscape is evolving rapidly. Tools like predictive sales forecasting are helping businesses make smarter decisions, while AI-powered marketing automation is personalizing customer interactions at scale. Collaboration tools are also getting a boost with AI, streamlining workflows and improving team communication. Imagine having an AI assistant that schedules meetings, manages emails, and even analyzes project performance, all in real time. These innovations are not just trends, they're essential for staying competitive. If you're not leveraging AI in your business strategy, you're already behind. So, are you on board with using AI to take your business worldwide? Comment yes if you are.